bike, Mommy.
You need a new bike?
I need
An orange one?
I really want it.
You really want it?
I really want it, Mommy.
Yeah.
Blue truck? I miss you, bike.
Mommy and Daddy have a special surprise for you.
Fifty tickets.
We have a special surprise.
Fat.
Do you want to go inside and see the special surprise? We got Max a present.
Punch hot to you.
Yeah, it's not Max's birthday, but we still got him a nice, cool present.
Daddy, hop.
Okay. Ready for your present? Okay, come on. Okay, do you remember what you wanted? What was the special present you wanted? Was it a new bike?
New bag.
What kind of bike?
Metro.
A Mater truck bike? Okay, look at this. What's that? Take the blanket off. What is it?
Metro.
A Mater truck. Look, it's just like the other one. Look. Press the button right here.
Metro.
Oh, it's a Mater truck.
Metro.
Mater truck.